truly believe that there is a good reason for everything happening in everywhere, in every one of us lives. It is just hard many times to believe in that, because we have this limited understanding and knowledge with us many times in our journeys, and because of that, it makes us see everything so distorted way. There will be always those times that you don't have enough information and knowledge and understanding, because you're not in that point in your journey yet. You're probably in your beginning or middle of your journey. You don't have yet that complete picture, and that is purposefully like that. And you will get that all those answers later on. But now it is enough for you to get to know the person, the thing that have those answers, that knows everything. I truly believe that we can't build something lasting upon something evil or something random. That in order to things work like this, like we see all around us, all this world, this universe, there have to be some kind of benevolent force behind everything. And if that source is ultimately good, then you can understand that everything that you see, that you experience, have to be also in the bigger picture ultimately good. There have to be good reason for that to happen, that to exist. And that is why it is so important for us to get to know our Creator, whatever it is, who it is. We can always argue about who or what it is, but we can't argue it is or that's nature. And that is ultimately enough. Because if you truly know and trust that that thing is good, that something is good, then you can also do those inferences about that and get so much peace. In a way, answers, not complete answers, but at least answers that give you some kind of benefit, give you so much trust, so much hope, willingness to do your best and just focusing on what matters, becoming best version of you and not stressing about so much and being grateful for everything so much more. Many times it is just better for us to walk in blind so many ways. If we have too much information in the wrong time, it can many ways destroy us. And everything, all of this is just the source's perfect plan and creation. But I truly believe that everything matters and we can affect on things, and I can hope that this message can create some kind of difference. Help you to do things better, get things faster. Trust that there will come that day where you can laugh on those things that happened in your past. See that how perfectly everything came together. When you have hope, when you have many answers and you can see on your own why everything happened. You are just temporarily in this challenging phase. But you will always make it and make it to that better, brighter day. Towards something better always. And I would hope that you can hold on to that tightly every time, especially when you have those hard times. This journey don't have to be always something arduous, something really bad. Hold on to everything positive and all these kind of messages that I truly believe is true, and you will find yourself closer and closer for everything better and more answers, more everything, even if it doesn't seem like that always.